Okay, I made you the host again. Hi, Uswa.
Thank you. Dari sini aja. Karena panjang ini. Nah, this one. Nah, when we would like to introduce ourselves, okay, when we would like to introduce ourselves, these are some information that we commonly give or share to the other person. For example, we mention our name, and then we can say, my name is, or I am blah, blah, blah. Okay? Or if you would like to mention your nickname, nama panggilan, you can say, my name is Rara. My name is, or I am blah, blah, blah. My name is Rara Chandra Dewi, or I am Rara Chandra Dewi, but you could call me Rara. Kok tiba-tiba keluar? Okay, Donna, can you see?
Yes, you can see.
Okay.
Oh ya, Miss. I invite. Jadi itu gini, nanti kan kalau misalkan Miss Rara lagi ngajar itu kan jadwalnya Senin sampai Rabu. Nah, aku tuh Kamis Jumat tuh rencananya tuh
Yes.
conversation class aja biar mereka tuh biasa gitu ngomong. Karena kan ini masih banyak yang belum terbiasa speaking ya. Jadi aku akan invite
Okay.
teman-teman aku yang foreigners,
Siap-siap.
ya yang bahasa Inggrisnya lumayan
Hello,
oke.
welcome.
Nah, nanti biar untuk bisa conversation bareng kayak gitu. Nih, tapi untuk sementara biasanya mereka join untuk jadi viewers aja sih, untuk ngeliat doang kayak gitu. Nggak apa-apa ya, Miss? Oh, I think my
About
network.
name.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Kenapa nih?
Okay. Miss Ra, this is Annie. She's my friend. Oh, Miss Rara. Hi, Annie. Oke. Jadi Donna, Uswa, nanti aku tuh kalau lagi kelas, aku akan invite teman-teman dari luar kayak gitu. Nanti kita pas, udah nggak tahu. Jadi pas lagi nggak kelas Miss Rara, nanti kita bisa ngadain conversation sama foreigner. Jadi kalian terbiasa kayak gitu. Annie, you have to connect your audio.
Okay. Could you please?
And ini cuma jadi viewer sih ya, Miss. Kalau lagi ngikutin kelas, mereka cuma pengen ngeliat ini aja, situasinya aja. Ngikutin doang. Kayak gitu.
Okay. Could you please make me host because?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Wait, give me a second. Oke, dan dikasih sama Mbak Nur tadi pagi. Lupa. Bentar aku.
Okay. Okay. Get back about we discuss the information that we commonly give to the other person when we introducing ourselves. Okay, such as mention our name and then mention our age, and then maybe if the other person asks about our education, we can say, tadi kan kalau age sudah ya, I am, for example, I am 30 years old or I am 30. Okay. And then if we would like to describe about our education background, we can use one of these phrases. For example, I went to, okay, blah, 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 school or university. Or if we are still studying, for example, currently I'm studying at blah blah blah. Or we can also use I graduated from, for example, me, I graduated from Indonesia University of Education majoring in English education. Nah, for example, like that. Or I have completed my bachelor degree of English education from Indonesia University of Indonesia University of Education, for example, like that. Or we can also say, I'm currently studying blah, 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 and then you mention the major. Okay? Now, and then beside mention our name, age, education, sometimes the other person asks about our occupation. Ya, terkadang orang lain menanyakan mengenai pekerjaan kita. Hey, Miss Rara, what do you do? Miss Rara, what do you do for a living? Or Miss Rara, what is your profession? Right? And then if the other person asks about our profession, okay, and then we could reply, I'm a teacher, for example, and then I work for blah blah ABC company, for example, like that. Okay? Yes. And then maybe the other person asks about our origin. Oke, mungkin orang lain akan menanyakan mengenai asalnya kita dari mana. Oke. Hi Miss Rara, where are you from? Or Miss Rara, where do you come from? And then we could respond, I come from Purworejo, Central Java, or I'm from Jakarta, for example, like that. Okay, we can reply or we can respond, I come from or I'm from. And then maybe Donna will ask me, Miss Rara, where do you live? Okay, and then I can say I live in Jakarta, I live in East Jakarta. Okay, or maybe I live at Pisangan Lama Street number 26 East Jakarta. Okay, nah, I live in sometimes followed by, okay, the name of the country, the name of the city, or the name of the area. Jadi, live in Indonesia, I live in Jakarta, I live in, for example, Rawamangun. Nah, the name of the area. Or maybe you would prefer to give a more detailed address of you. And then we could say, I live at Rawamangun Muka Street number 17, for example, like that. Okay, this is the detailed address. Or maybe you could say, I hail from Michigan. Nah, maybe we are talking with the people from abroad and he or she asks about our nationality. Okay, and hey Rara, what is your nationality? Oh, I'm Indonesian. Okay, now if the other person comes from a different country, okay, we have we could say, hey, what is your nationality? Because sometimes for example, yeah, just like us, maybe we are originally from Indonesia, we are Indonesian, but then we move abroad and live in Australia maybe. Okay, yeah, and then maybe the other person would know about our interests and hobbies. Miss Rara, what is your hobby? Oh, my hobby is traveling. Okay, my hobby is, if you would like to mention one of your hobby. But if you would like to describe more than one hobby, you can say, my hobbies are traveling and reading. Or the other phrase that we can use is, I'm interested in traveling. My interests are traveling and reading. I like reading books. I'm good in cooking. I'm good at playing chess and others. Jadi, these are some information that maybe we could share with the other person about name, about our, what is it? Nah, about our name, our age, our education background, occupation, pekerjaan, place of origin, daerah asalnya, address, alamat, nationality, kebangsaannya, interest or hobby. Oke. Nah, these are some phrases that you can use. That's about introducing ourselves. Nah, when maybe someone asks, what we need to do is, hal pertama yang kita lakukan, oke? Hal pertama yang kita lakukan adalah opening first, right? Such as, hello, good evening, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rara. My name is Rara Chandra Dewi, but you could call me Rara. Okay. I live in Rawamangun, East Jakarta. And then I am 40 years old. Okay. I'm a teacher. And my hobbies are traveling and reading a book. And then what else? Apalagi tadi? Ya, banyak ya informasi yang bisa kita sampaikan. Okay. I'm originally from Purworejo, Central Java, but now I live in Jakarta. For example, like that. Nah, kira-kira seperti ini teman-teman yang bisa kita pakai ketika kita mau introducing ourselves. Opening dulu, bisa for the more formal situation, we can use the phrase, let me introduce myself, my name is blah blah blah, or I am blah blah blah. Or, hello everyone, allow me to introduce myself. Allow me, izinkan saya memperkenalkan diri saya. My name is blah blah blah. Or, I don't think we haven't met. My name is blah blah blah. I would like to introduce myself, atau I think we have ever met. I am blah blah blah. Oke. Nah, kalau informal enak ya. Hi everyone. Oke, my name is Rara. Nice to meet you. Hi Rara, nice to meet you too. Gitu ya, paling ya yang lain merespon seperti itu. Nah, ini ending up the conversation. Tadi dengan nice to meet you, I'm glad we have met, pleased to meet you, I'm happy to meet you, it was nice meeting you, for example, like that. And then if the other person said these phrases, we could respond, it's nice to meet you too. Or just simply say, me too. Nah, bukan paseo ya, tapi me too. Or pleased to meet you too, I'm very happy too. Oke. Nah, ini here are some example to get the conversation started. Kayak kemarin ya, ini udah ya sebenarnya kemarin introduce ourselves, give a little info about yourself to break the ice. Hi. Nah, misalnya, I'm originally from San Diego but just moved here a week ago. Are you from around here? Nah, itu kan. Saya sebenarnya asalnya dari San Diego. Kok terdampar di Jakarta gitu bukan ya? Tetapi I just moved here a week ago. Saya baru pindah ke sini seminggu yang lalu. Are you from around here? Apakah Anda atau kamu berasal dari daerah sini ya? Gitu. Tergantung kan penggunaan kamu atau Anda, tergantung dari konteksnya ketika kita translate. Oke? Nah, and then listen to their response and keep the conversation going. For example, oh, so you're originally from Canada? Do you ski? Dan seterusnya. Lalu tadi close the conversation, itu it's been a pleasure meeting you, appreciate the meeting, appreciate the conversation, nice talking to you, for example like that. Itu ya teman-teman. Clear about introducing ourselves? Ada pertanyaan?
Good. Sounds good, Miss.
Oke, so kita langsung praktek aja ya. Miss Donna, Miss Uswa, how if I just ask you, first of all, saya tanya satu-satu kali ya. Atau Miss Donna and Miss Uswa, you could ask each other. For example, hello, good evening. My name is Donna. What is your name? Lalu nanya, kan what is your name? Oh, ya. My name is Uswa. How old are you? Nah, dengan menanyakan seperti itu. Mau dicoba? Atau mau yang mencoba introducing ourselves dulu? Atau mau dalam percakapan dulu? If you choose to describe about yourself, yang tadi misalnya, good evening everyone, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Rara Chandra Dewi, but you could call me Rara. I am 40 years old. I graduated from Indonesia University of Education, majoring in English education. Okay. Currently, I am a teacher. I have been working for more than 10 years. Okay. I come from Purworejo. It is a small city in Central Java. But now, I live in Jakarta, exactly at Pisangan Lama Street number 26. I am Indonesian, of course, and my hobbies are traveling and reading book. All right, I think that's all about me. Thank you for your attention. Nice to meet you, everyone. Nah, bisa seperti itu, teman-teman?
Oke, gantian ya Mi satu-satu.
Ya,
Oke, let
yes,
me
kita
try.
coba. Jadi, introducing ourselves.
Okay.
Memperkenalkan, we share about ourselves to the other person. Sorry, saya geser.
Okay, let me try.
Tadi,
I hope Uswah can also speak because she's still helping her son making his homework. Okay. Now let me try to introduce
it's okay.
myself. Next, Donna, you'll be after me, okay? Hello, my name is Dewi. My name is Adi Dewi Hastuti. My friends call me Dewi. I am 39 years old. I went to in Syarif Hidayatullah in Jakarta. I am a teacher. I am a teacher in Morina Training Center. I come from, well, I'm originally from Jakarta, so I've been living here my whole life. I live in Jakarta Barat area. Now I actually stay in Tangerang, but my parents still live in Jakarta, so I still love staying there too. I'm a Betawi, and what else? I think that's all I can introduce. Oh, my hobby. My hobby is singing, definitely.
Could you please sing a song?
Although I cannot sing well, but I still think that's one of my hobby. Singing and cooking and yeah, traveling for sure.
Yes, okay.
Okay, thank you everyone. Donna, your turn.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
My name is Donna. I'm in my late 30. I graduated from Budi Luhur University, majoring IT. I am jobless, and my parents come from West Sumatra, but I was born in Jakarta. I live in Tangerang. I like traveling and watch movie or drama. That is my my introduction. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Nice to know you, Donna.
Donna, you're not jobless. You're digital marketing. You made Instagram account for me.
Not yet.
Don't worry, you'll be a professional soon. And Donna, the correct term is unemployed.
Yeah, sorry.
No, don't say sorry. You don't have to say sorry. It's okay. Uswa, are you okay to speak? Hmm. I don't think Uswa can speak right now, Miss Rara.
Yes,
Oh,
yes.
okay. That's
Oh,
fine.
Oh, bisa.
lanjut.
Oh, thank you.
Bentar.
Okay.
Halo.
Halo, Miss Uswa.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, kids.
How are you
Introduce
today?
myself ya.
Yes,
Oke.
introduce me.
Yes.
Mulai ya. Hello,
Yes.
everybody. My name is Uswatun Alawiyah. My
Hello.
nickname is Uswa. I'm 41 years old. I'm graduate from Win Syarif Hidayatullah. My hobbies are traveling and watching the movie. I come from Java, from Tegal, Central Java. I live in Tangerang. Udah, finish.
What do you do, Uswa?
Oh yeah, I am a housewife.
Yes, that's a great job, right? Okay, Miss Uswa, thank you. Nice to know you.
Oh iya, Teh. Sambil ngerjain PR ya, Miss. Maaf nih.
Okay. Multitasking learning. Okay. Yeah. Thank you everyone for having shared about yourself to us. Okay. Now, that's the example if we would like to introduce, to describe about our names, about our self to the other person. Gitu ya teman-teman, kurang lebih seperti itu kalau kita mau memperkenalkan diri. But maybe if it is in the job interview, yeah, of course it's gonna be different, right? Because we would like to highlight about our education background, our experience, and our qualification. Gitu kan ya teman-teman? Kalau kita introduction-nya, tujuannya, for example, if it is in the job interview, such as the interviewer said, all right, Miss Rara, could you please introduce yourself? Hanya dengan satu pertanyaan itu, we have to make a resume about ourselves. We need to introduce ourselves that would highlight more on education background, and then on our qualification, and also experience gitu. Kalau kita memperkenalkan dirinya, tujuannya misalnya dalam job interview atau kita mau menangin proyek, mau menangin tender, kita lebih highlight pada professional qualification-nya gitu ya. Nah, is it important to mention our hobby when we are in the job interview? I think yes, for some case. For example, a hobby sometimes describes about personality, right? Kadang hobi itu menggambarkan personality seseorang, atau untuk profesi-profesi tertentu dibutuhkan orang yang memiliki hobi tertentu. For example, if we are applying for a journalist, ya, kalau kita melamar untuk profesi jurnalis, ya, I think we are highlighting about our hobby, such as my hobby is reading and writing, that would support, ya, itu akan mendukung pekerjaan yang akan kita lamar. Kalau misalkan we would like to apply for a teacher, ya, di sini I love working that enable me to meet with other people. Nah, bisa seperti itu. Kalau ngajar anak-anak, ya kan, I enjoy working with kids. Nah, misalnya kayak gitu. Itu kan menunjukkan interest kita apa. Itu yang really support, yang berkaitan. Tapi ya sebenarnya menyebutkan hobi kalau tidak berkaitan dengan job title-nya itu juga nggak terlalu penting sih ya. Oke, guys. Itu ya. Introducing ourselves. Any questions so far about introducing ourselves? Ada pertanyaan?
Saudara boleh diulang
No.
yang terakhir tadi.
Yang
Yang
mana?
terakhir tadi yang hobi itu.
Oke. Ya, jadi teman-teman kalau misalkan we would like to apply for a job. Kita prosesnya melamar pekerjaan, melamar untuk ya pekerjaan lah misalnya, atau mau apply project atau apa. Misalnya memang itu hobinya ada apa ya? Ada efek, ada dampaknya terhadap sebuah profesi yang akan kita apply, itu penting kita mention hobi. Jadi kalau saya biasanya kalau saya apply, kalau zaman dulu gitu, kalau saya apply untuk posisi yang berbeda, saya akan menyebutkan hobi yang berbeda. Misalnya saya apply untuk jurnalis gitu, dulu saya pernah ngelamar jadi wartawan gitu ya. Jadi saya menyebutkan di situ hobi pas interview itu saya sebutkan hobi saya itu membaca, hobi saya menulis gitu. Karena kan itu dua hal itu. Lalu hobi saya membaca, menulis, dan I love working that enable me to travel a lot. Nah, atau bisa juga traveling disebutkan. Ya, I enjoy working that enable me to travel a lot. Jadi misalkan profesi jurnalis, itu kan ya harga mati kan, seorang jurnalis itu harus suka baca, harus suka nulis, lalu harus suka mobilitas tinggi, harus suka traveling gitu. Itu kurang, atau misalkan untuk profesi yang lainnya itu kita menyebutkan sebuah hobi yang memang menggambarkan personality kita, lalu ada keterkaitan dengan profesi yang kita lamar. Kayak tadi misalkan guru, misalnya I enjoy working that enable me to meet with other people. For example like that. Atau kalau memang itu for kindergarten, for playgroup, or for elementary school, kita bisa mention I love working that enable me to have a contact with kids misalnya, dan lain sebagainya. Gitu teman-teman, tergantung nanti profesinya apa. Kalau saya sih seperti itu, karena sebuah hobi itu kalau misalkan it is in the job interview, itu akan menggambarkan karakter seseorang yang memang dibutuhkan dalam profesi tersebut. Gitu kan ya? Do you agree with me?
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Ya. Jadi tidak apa ya? Tidak asal nyebutin hobinya gitu, tetapi hobi itu usahakan hobi itu support to the qualification needed to the job that we are going to apply gitu. Oke? Okay? Ya. Can we move to the next part? Lanjut ya. It's about introducing ourselves. Okay? And then the second thing, ini ada conversation-nya, nggak usah panjang sekali. The second thing, ini saya giniin aja. Saya kebawahin aja ya guys. Nggak bisa. The second thing that we are going to discuss is about if we would like to ask about others' identity. Kalau kita mau menanyakan mengenai informasi tentang seseorang. Kalau tadi kan we are trying to describe about ourselves. Kita mendeskripsikan diri kita. Namanya siapa, dan seterusnya, dan seterusnya. And then, if we would like to know about others, kita mengajukan pertanyaan ini. Karena apa? Actually, it is a simple thing, but sometimes we forget it. Kadang kita lupa mau nanya, ya tadinya saya mau nanya umurnya dia berapa, tapi bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya? Misalnya. Atau saya mau nanya sih dia asalnya dari mana, tapi saya nggak ngerti ungkapan untuk nanyanya apa. Nah ini. If you would like to ask about someone's name, kalau kita ingin tahu nama seseorang, kita bisa menggunakan what is your name? Atau may I know your name please? Could you tell me your name? Could I have your name please? Nah, itu bisa kita gunakan. Oke, tergantung. For example, ya, if it is in the business way, kalau dalam dunia kerja, misalnya for the reception, misalnya untuk reception atau other frontliner, atau kita punya bisnis lalu mau nanya sama klien yang datang ke tempat kita. Nah, of course, the language phrase that we use to ask about someone's name itu harus yang formal, harus yang polite. Kita bisa menggunakan may I know your name please? Could you tell me your name? Could I have your name please? Nah, bisa menggunakan seperti ini. Nah, tapi yang umum yang biasa kita pakai adalah what is your name? Tetapi kalau dalam business word ini kurang polite. Tiba-tiba what is your name? Gitu kan? Could I have your name please? Nah, atau if maybe the other person already mention their names, but it's not clear enough for us, kita bisa meminta orang tersebut untuk spell namanya. How do you spell it? Atau could you please spell it? Could you please spell your name? Bisa seperti itu. Oke? Ya. Atau misalnya orang tersebut bicaranya tidak terlalu jelas. Lalu I'm sorry, could you please repeat your name? Nah, oke, bukan what, bukan seperti itu. Apabila kita sedang berbicara dengan seseorang, tetapi orang tersebut telah menyebutkan namanya, but it's not clear enough for us, kita tidak yang what, can you repeat again? Misalnya kayak gitu. Kita bisa dengan, kalau spell kan lebih jelas ya teman-teman. Could you please spell it? How do you spell it? For example, like that. And then the next thing, if we would like to know about someone's origin, kalau kita ingin tahu asal orang tersebut dari mana, we could ask the question, where are you from? Anda asalnya dari mana? Kamu asalnya dari mana? Where are you from? Or where do you come from? Okay, so di sini kita tidak menggunakan where do you from, tetapi kita where are you from atau where do you come from. Ya, tadi kan responnya I'm from atau I come from. Jadi nggak ada yang I am come from. Oke, we use I'm from and I come from. And then if we would, maybe we are abroad or maybe we are talking with a foreigner, dengan orang asing, kita berbicara dengan orang asing, lalu we are not sure, we don't have any idea what is that person's nationality, kita bisa menggunakan frasa what nationality are you? Atau what is your nationality? Okay, what nationality are you or what is your nationality? Itu menanyakan apa? Menanyakan apa tadi? Kebangsaan seseorang. And then when we would like to know about the place that person's born, kita bisa menanyakan where were you born? Where were you born? Oh, kamu lahir di mana? Oh, I was born in Purworejo. Kalau kita mau menanyakan kapan lahir, ini harusnya where ya, sorry teman-teman. It should be where. Where were you born? I was born in Sydney. Kalau when were you born, itu kapan lahirnya. Oke, and then where do you live? Where do you live digunakan untuk menanyakan tinggalnya di mana. Oke? Atau kita juga bisa menggunakan ungkapan what is your address? Where is your house? Where do you live? What is your address? What is your where is your house? Oke. And then kalau kita mau menanyakan pendidikan seseorang, kita bisa menggunakan where did you go to school? Where did you go to the university? Atau where are you graduated from? Oke? Lalu kita mau menanyakan pekerjaan seseorang. Kita bisa menggunakan what do you do? Or what do you do for living? Or what is your occupation? Ya, apa pekerjaan Anda? Ini responnya. Lalu, if you would like to know about someone's hobby, what is your hobby? My hobby is, mention one hobby, atau you could reply, I like blah blah blah, atau I enjoy blah blah blah, bisa. Or maybe you would like more than one hobby. So, what are your hobbies? Or maybe my hobbies are blah 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 and blah blah blah. Nah, itu adalah beberapa ungkapan-ungkapan yang bisa kita gunakan ketika kita mau menanyakan informasi mengenai seseorang. We are asking for someone's identity. Clear, my friend? Jelas?
Yes, Miss.
Oke. Jadi kan kalau dalam conversation gitu ya, teman-teman. Hi, my name is Rara. What is your name? Oke kan? Gitu kan? Hi Rara, nice to meet you. My name is Donna. Rara, where are you from? Nah, gitu teman-teman. Jadi kita harus tahu ketika pertanyaan dan responnya. Karena in a conversation, we use both. As I have ever said that in a conversation, actually, we ask question and we give a response to a question. Kita bertanya dan kita merespon. Jadi kalau untuk introduction ya kita harus mengetahui language phrase, ungkapan-ungkapan yang dipakai untuk menanyakan dan untuk memberikan responnya. Gitu. Oke, Mbak. Oke, itu ya. Nah, another one is ya, yang berikutnya poin yang kedua, if maybe we go to a meeting with our coworker, kita misalkan ada di meeting nih, kita dengan rekan kerja kita, lalu kita ketemu lagi dengan rekan yang lain, lalu kita mau mengenalkan orang tersebut, misalkan Miss Donna, perkenalkan ini rekan kerja saya, Miss Ade. Miss Ade, ini Miss Donna. Nah, seperti itu teman-teman. Nah, in English, kita bisa menggunakan ungkapan ini. Kalau kita mau ngenalin seseorang ke orang lainnya lagi. Miss Donna, may I introduce you to my colleague? Colleague, kolega ya. Ini colleague. Colleague. Kolega atau coworker. Atau let me introduce you to my blah blah blah. Let me introduce you to my marketing manager. Let me introduce you to my father. Nah, for example like that. Or we can also use I'd like you to meet my husband. I'd like you to meet my professor. Atau I don't think you haven't met my friend. Miss Ade. Miss Ade, this is Donna. Nah, bisa kayak gitu. Atau bisa dengan question. You haven't met the school principal, have you? Jadi ini prolog yang kita gunakan ketika kita mau mengenalkan orang lain ke seseorang lain lagi. Nah, for the casual situation, we can use have you met, do you know, blah blah blah. Hi Donna, this is my old friend Ade. Nah, bisa kayak gitu. Atau simply say I want you meet or I want you to meet. Bisa menggunakan ungkapan seperti itu. That's very simple. Ya, itu kalau kita mengenalkan orang lain. And now, this one, I have an example of the dialogue. Why don't, I think we should try this, right? Now, the first situation, if for the formal situation, the situation is you meet a school friend Thomas, his colleague is with him. Nah, okay, I'm gonna be you, and could anyone help me to be Thomas? Miss Ade maybe, nanti Miss Uswa sama Miss Donna, okay?
Okay.
Miss Ade, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna be you. I'm gonna be you in here. I'm gonna be me. Okay,
Okay.
and Miss Ade will be Thomas, right?
Okay.
Okay, let's be started. Good morning, Thomas. How are you?
Hi, good morning. I am fine, thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thanks.
This is my friend, Andrew.
It's nice to meet you, Andrew.
Nice to meet you too. I'll try to be Andrew too.
That's so simple, right? Nah, this is, I think this is casual, yeah, informal situation introducing friend. If we would like to introducing our friend with our other friend, we can simply use this is my friend. Okay? Nggak usah, I would like you to meet my friend. That's terlalu kaku gitu. Ya? Okay, the second situation. It's a conversation between, not between, but among Margaret, Mr. Wilson, and Dr. Smith. Kita mau bertiga atau berdua dulu, Miss Ade?
Let Donna and Uswa.
Okay, so it's gonna be me, Donna, and Uswa, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Don,
Okay,
who do
I'm
you want
gonna
to
be
be, Uswa? Who do you
Margaret.
want to be, Uswa?
Hmm, Mr. Wilson, okay.
Okay, Mr. Wilson, and then Miss Donna would be Dr. Smith, right?
Oh, Donna, let Donna be Margaret. I think Margaret has more lines.
Oh, okay, Donna. Oh, because Margaret is longer than Dr. Smith, right? I
Congratulations,
know
Don.
that's the reason.
Okay,
Yeah,
Donna,
okay,
you will be
Donna.
Margaret and Uswa will be Mr. Wilson.
And I'm gonna be Dr. Smith.
Okay.
Okay, let's be started then.
Don, you first.
Okay, Mr. Wilson, I like to meet you. I like to meet Dr. Edward Smith.
I'd
It's
like
nice
you
to
to
meet
meet.
you, Dr.
I'd like
Smith.
you to.
It's nice to meet you, Dr. Smith.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Dr. Smith is an economist. He just finished writing a book on international trade.
Oh, that's my field too. I work for the United Nations.
In the development program by any chance?
Yes. How did you guess?
I've read your articles on technical assistance. They are excellent. Okay, thank you.
Yay!
Ya, oke. Nah, oke, tadi
Switch
ada
role.
beberapa. Nanti change role. Wait a moment, please. Tadi ini ada I'd, ya, I would. Ini I'd like. Oke. Yang tadi ini ya Donna, this one.
Yeah.
Nah, oke. I'd ini adalah I would. I would like you. Itu dibacanya bisa I'd like. I'd like you to meet Dr. Edward Smith. Okay?
Okay.
We use would to make our English become softer. Jadi bahasa Inggris kita lebih sopan kalau kita menggunakan I'd like. Kalau biasanya itu I will, ya, I want you, ya kan? I want you to meet Dr. Smith. But that's for the casual. If it is for the more formal situation, we use the phrase I'd like you atau I would like you to meet Dr. Edward Smith, ya kan? Oke. I think itu aja tadi, ya kan? Yang lain nggak ada kan? Nggak ada feedback. Oke. Miss Donna and Miss Uswa, could you please have a role play for this situation? Yang ini? Yang between Thomas Andrew.
Yes.
Yuk. Saya jadi
Start.
Andrew ya.
Okay.
Good morning, Thomas. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thanks.
This is my friend Andrew.
It's nice to meet you, Andrew.
Nice to meet you too. Do you want to change the role or not?
Terserah.
I think
Change
we
the role
should
aja
change
ya.
the role in the formal situation.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Change the role in the formal situation. Yes. So, Donna will
Uswa,
be
you will be
Margaret.
Margaret now, and
Okay.
Donna, you will be Mr. Wilson, and let me be Dr. Smith. Okay?
Okay, sip.
Okay.
Okay.
Mr. Wilson, I would like you to meet Dr. Edward Smith.
It's nice to meet you, Dr. Smith.
Pleasure to meet you too.
Dr. Smith is an economist. He just finished writing a book on international trade.
Oh, that's my field too. I work for the United Nations.
In the development program, by any chance?
Yes, how did you guess?
Oh, I've read your articles on technical assistance. They're excellent. Good job.
Okay. Good job. Nah, yang tadi. Okay, good. Okay. Nah, yang ini the. Ini tadi. The, kalau kata setelah the itu diikuti kata yang berawalan vowel, kita bisa menjadi the. Oh, that's my field too. I work for the United Nations. Ya, tapi kalau tidak diikuti, kalau kata berikutnya itu tidak diawali dengan huruf yang bunyinya, yang soundnya vowel, kita ya tetap the. For example, apple, the apple, gitu. Sama kayak ini. I work for the United Nations. Okay? Only that. Any questions so far?
No.
No. If there is no question, continue. Lanjut sekarang.
Yes.
It's already 9:15.
Okay.
No, no.
Wait. So, for tomorrow, yeah, I'd like you now to make a conversation, your own conversation, to compose your own conversation about introduction. Ya, kalau ini kan contoh aja. Jadi about introducing conversation kayak gini, memperkenalkan diri, what is your name? Terus jadi dalam conversation-nya itu ada memperkenalkan diri, terus menanyakan mengenai informasi orang lain, dan ada memperkenalkan orang lainnya. Oke?
Okay.
Good morning, my name is Rara. What is your name? Nah, oh my name is Nana. Ceritanya itu orang itu berdua gitu. Nanti misalkan sudah ngobrol kan di situ ada light conversation atau small talk, baru I would like you to meet my friend atau I want you to meet my friend, ada begitunya. Oke? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And that conversation would be used for tomorrow evening. Jadi untuk besok, kelas kita besok itu teman-teman bikin itu. And then besides you are going to have a role play about that dialogue, we are going to continue our materials about company's introduction. Jadi gimana sih cara memperkenalkan company or maybe institution, whether it's our company or maybe we trying to describe about a company or an institution. Jadi poin-poin apa saja sih yang disebutkan ketika kita mengenalkan sebuah perusahaan, mengenalkan sebuah institusi, kita akan bahas besok. Oke? Okay?
Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Yes.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. So, if there are no questions, Yeah, I'm gonna stop sharing. Okay. If there is no question, I think we are going to end up our today's meeting, right?
Okay.
Atau masih mau ngobrol-ngobrol? Tapi udah malam ya.
No, it's okay ya. Don't worry. Ya, kita sedikit-sedikit aja yang penting masuk ya.
Iya.
Okay. We're gonna have the class tomorrow again at 7:30. Link yang ini mungkin akan saya ganti karena link yang ini tadi mulainya jam 8 ya. Saya tuh telat mulainya karena link yang sebelumnya tuh agak error gitu.
Iya, nggak bisa soalnya.
Sorry ya. Nggak tahu gitu.
Okay.
Nungguin aja gitu ya. Taunya emang nggak pada bisa join ya udah.
Coba lagi, try again and again gitu kan.
Iya.
Saya coba lagi. Having another meeting gitu.
Okay. Nice to see you all, everyone in here. Okay. Let me.
Alright. Yeah. Thank you guys for coming this session. From me, I think from me enough, and then I'm gonna give it to Miss Ade.